Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, CD player, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a 2-year or 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive 112-point inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.